Today experiment is to study digital multimeter. In this experiment, we learn how to use digital multimeter. This is a digital multimeter. This multimeter type is 3.5 digit multimeter. Meaning of 3.5 digit is last 3 digit or complete digit, which can be vary from 0 to 9, and first digit which cannot be changed 0 to 9, which can change 0, 1 or 2. So it is called 3.5 digit multimeter. Multimeter is a measuring device. By using this device, we can perform different measurement like voltage, current, resistance, diode, and in this multimeter there is also function of capacitance measurement. Okay, so today we will learn how we operate this multimeter. There are two test probe, red and black. And here is 4 terminals. First terminal is ground terminal or common terminal. So black test probe will be connected in this terminal. And red test probe will be connected in these 3 terminals according to measurement, like for voltage measurement, resistance measurement, diode measurement. Red test probe will be connected in this terminal. For current measurement, for low current, red test probe will be connected in milliampere terminal, and for high current, red test probe will be connected ampere terminal. So black test probe always connected in common. So how we operate? First of all, here is given a digital display. Numeric value of measurement will be shown here. To perform a measurement, different functions are given here. By using this rotary switch, we can select these different functions. First of all, we will select first function, AC measurement, AC voltage measurement. Okay, display is shown here. Auto means multimeter will be work in auto mode. Here is sign of alternating signal. Numeric value will be shown here, and unit of measurement will be here in volt. We can switch multimeter from auto mode to manual mode by pressing this key. Now multimeter is work in manual mode. Auto mode is disabled. So decimal will be shift manually. Now it is in auto mode. Here is a key of function. By using this key, we can switch from these functions Rotary switch position is here. In this positions, this multimeter will be perform two measurement, AC voltage measurement and frequency measurement. By pressing function key, we can switch these two measurements, AC voltage measurement and frequency measurement. Now it is selected for AC voltage measurement. We press LO key, means function key. Now it will measure frequency. Unit is given here hertz. Meaning of hold key, a numeric value shown here. At a particular time, we can hold the display. So first of all, now we will measure AC voltage. Black test probe connected in common, red test probe in voltage terminal, and now we will connected this test probe in voltage source, AC voltage source. In AC voltage source there is no polarity. We can connect this probe in any terminal like this. AC voltage is shown 240.4 volt. There are minor changes, 240.3, 240.4. If we change this terminal polarity, there will be no change on the measurement. Numeric value will be changed minus due to alternating signal. At a particular time, we can hold the display by pressing hold key. Now display has hold. If we disconnect this test probe, value will be shown on the display. Again press hold key, display will be unhold. Now here is shown hold. When we press hold key, display will be unhold. To measure AC voltage, you will be careful. There should be no cut on the test probe. See careful. For AC measurement, now we will perform second function, frequency measurement. Press the function key. So now measurement mode has switched from AC voltage measurement to frequency measurement. At this time, this multimeter works as frequency measurement. Connect these test probe in AC voltage source. Frequency is shown 50.08 Hz. Disconnect the test probe from AC voltage source carefully. Second measurement is DC voltage measurement. Rotary switch position is DC voltage measurement. In this position, we can perform both measurement, DC voltage measurement and AC voltage measurement. These two functions will be interchanged by pressing key of function. फंक्शन की प्रेस करने पर क्या होगा, ये जो दो मेजरमेंट दिए गए हैं ये इंटरचेंज हो जाएंगे. Now it is selected for DC measurement. Here is sign of DC. Now press function key. It has switched for AC measurement. So we have done AC measurement. Now we will perform DC measurement. Again press function key. We will measure the voltage of this cell. In DC measurement, there is polarity positive and negative. This terminal is negative and this positive. Negative terminal will be connected black test probe of multimeter, and red test probe will be connected to positive terminal of voltage source. So the voltage of this cell is 1.69 volt. Here is auto. This is sign of DC. If we connected this cell in reverse direction, what will be done? So see on the display. Here is a negative sign. It means DC voltage source connected in reverse polarity with test probe. If this minus sign, this is sign of DC voltage measurement and this is sign of reverse polarity. Okay. If this sign shown at measurement, so then change the polarity of DC voltage source with test probe. Now we connected DC voltage source in proper polarity. Negative sign is not shown. After it, here is given a function of temperature measurement. For temperature measurement, a separate test probe will be used to measure temperature. By using this test probe, we cannot perform temperature measurement. So temperature measurement cannot perform now. Now we will measure the value of resistor. In this position, both side symbol of ohm, so there is no use of this function key. In this rotary switch position is ohm. In this position this multimeter will be work as ohm meter. We can measure resistance of any resistor. So this is resistor. We will calculate the value of resistor. Color coding is yellow, violet and red. So yellow means 473, 4 as it is, 7 as it is and 3 10 की पावर 3. नहीं, रेड का 2 होता है 10 की पावर 2. So final value is 4700 equal to 4.7 kilo ohm. So the calculated value of this resistor is 4.7 kilo ohm. Now we will measure on the multimeter. There is no polarity in resistor. We can connect this test probe any side. So our theoretical value is 4.7 kilo ohm and practical value is 4.63 kilo ohm. In this resistor there is also a tolerance band of gold, means there is a plus minus 5% tolerance. Again check the other resistor value. Now we will check on multimeter directly. So check the value of this resistor. .973, 0.976 मीन्स अप्रॉक्सीमेट ये 1 किलो ओम का रजिस्टर है जिसकी वैल्यू आ रही है 0.968. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं नेक्स्ट रजिस्टर की वैल्यू क्या आती है. .480 किलो ओम. प्रैक्टिकल वैल्यू of this resistor is 1.48 kilo ohm. But when we calculate the value of this resistor, it will be 1.5 kilo ohm. Now we will use the function of diode. By rotating rotary switch, select the function of diode. In this position, multimeter perform two measurements, and diode and continuity tester. At this time, it is selected for diode measurement. Diode symbol is shown here. If we press function key, measurement changed from diode to continuity tester. So first we will perform the diode measurement. Press function key. There is a polarity in diode. This is diode. Silver line are not showing in camera, so we try to. Okay, these silver line, this terminal called N-type or cathode, and these black side, this terminal called anode or P-type. So diode connected with multimeter in forward wise, red test probe कनेक्टेड विद P. ये आपको सिल्वर साइड दिख रही होगी, एक सिल्वर रिंग. ये सिल्वर साइड, ये N साइड है. सो P टाइप का टर्मिनल कनेक्टेड विद रेड. And cathode terminal with black, anode terminal with red and cathode terminal connected with black. Now multimeter show display shown the value. This value is shown forward voltage drop of diode. Forward voltage drop of diode. Next measurement is continuity tester. In this function, we will check the continuity of a wire. Continuity of a wire. If this wire is okay, multimeter give a sound like this. If this wire was broken any place, so this will not be given. BP shown means this wire is okay. Next measurement is capacitance measurement. Select function for capacitor measurement and measure the value of this capacitor. The value on this capacitor is shown 104. 104 mean calculate the value of this capacitor. First digit same, second digit same, and third digit in 10 की power picofarad. So it will be 10 power 5 picofarad. Convert in nanofarad. 10 की power 5 upon 10 की power 3 nanofarad means 100 nanofarad. This is calculated value of this capacitor as shown 104. Code is written on the capacitor 104. Calculated value is 100 nanofarad. Now measure on the multimeter. Connect test probe with capacitor. .9 nanofarad. 76.1 nanofarad. होल्ड की प्रेस करने के बाद अगर हम इसको डिस्कनेक्ट भी कर देते हैं तो आपका वैल्यू डिस्प्ले पर शो होता रहता है. वैल्यू इज 76.1 NF. NF means nanofarad. Now we will this is lithium ion cell. ये हमारे पास रखा हुआ था. इसका आपको डीसी मेजरमेंट में नहीं दिखाया था. 1 मिनट में दिखा देते हैं. 3.7 वोल्ट. इसका भी डीसी मेजरमेंट कर लेते हैं. डीसी फंक्शन सेलेक्ट करेंगे. पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, रेड टर्मिनल कनेक्टेड विद पॉजिटिव P and black with N. 3.73 volt. In next video we will perform AC current measurement and DC current measurement. For voltage measurement, resistor measurement and capacitance measurement, multimeter test probe connected with parallel, and a current measurement, multimeter test probe will be connected in series. करंट मेजरमेंट का नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताएंगे. उसके लिए हमें एक सर्किट बनाना पड़ेगा. टुडे वी लर्न how to measure AC voltage measurement, DC voltage measurement, resistor measurement, diode measurement, capacitor measurement, continuity measurement. In next video we will learn current measurement. Okay, thank you for watching my video.